So right now I'm going to go to my design class. Like it's a, I don't know, what do you call it? It's not like web design, but like making graphics and stuff, like graphic design class, if you will. And I'm kind of excited about that. I just got home from work not too long ago, and well, okay, maybe like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. I don't know what time it is right now. Leave me alone. But like my feet hurt, and like I thought I was gonna die. But you know, I'm obviously still alive. So there's that. At the workplace I work at, I can't wear like, you know, tennis shoes. And you know, if you've seen my shoe collection video, I don't have a whole lot of tennis shoes to begin with. And it has to be all black, or I had to be wearing the store merchandise. So this was my second shortest heel. And I died in these. Now I do have other ones. It was those, but like this part hurts my feet like way more than these ever will. Like, oh my gosh, I opted for these because I thought it would hurt my feet way less, and they did. Like, I didn't feel like my foot was being chopped off at the end of the day like these. The devil. But like, I think I can get like a shoe insert or something to battle that in the design class. So here is the first one. The story behind this one is this girl did something very bad, and now she's trying to pay for her sins or whatever, the thing that she did. And so now she's planting the wheat, or basically replanting all the plants in this field just to pay back her deadliness. I don't know how to explain it, but that's it. And then this one, the skull, he's just dead, of course, but he is a very happy skull. And then there's happy little ants, well, happy little bugs. Like, here's a little happy bug there. He's like, yeah, I love it over here. And then this one, he's a happy spider, and he's like, oh my god, I love it. And then this thing in the corner is the ghost. He's like, wow, I like this. This is so fun. So like, the skull is just like, hey man, I'm very happy too, and it's obviously it's dead. So today's topic on that was like line art on photos, and that's kind of what we did. So yeah, I didn't know what else to record. Like, I kind of been thrown off this week in my little recording schedule. Well, I mean, I've been thrown off for the past 2 weeks actually. Boo. But like, I'm gonna get back on it. I was supposed to be recording like a little jewelry video, but I didn't get a chance to do that, so maybe I'll do that over the weekend or the next couple days. But this one is just, you know, I guess a little light vlog, just a little tiny one, because I know you guys missed me. Even though I put out a video last week, like, you shouldn't miss me that much. But I am still trying to like go back to doing, you know, another random one, but I need to be on top of myself to really get that done. So I guess we'll see. Like, if you have any like video ideas that you want to see me do, don't be afraid to comment them down below. Like, I love suggestions. I mean, yeah, I love suggestions. I've got this little thing on my head. That's what I wrap my hair up with at night, because, you know, I gotta keep it all nice and smooth. Like, I recently straightened it, re-straightened it again. Like you saw in the last video, my hair was straightened, but I just re-straightened it since then. Yeah. But I will see you guys in the next video. Boom! Subscribe!